What you guys, got another video here for you on how to make the taskbar fully transparent inside Windows 11 and Windows 10. So you can see here we have a solid color, and it doesn't really matter if you go into the settings here and mess around inside here. You're not going to be able to get the taskbar completely transparent the way you would think if you went into, say for instance, the personalization and then turned on, say for instance, transparency. If you go to accessibility here as well, we've got visual effects. And if you go in here, this transparency effects already turned on. So there's no real way of getting this looking nice and transparent the way some people like to have their taskbar. So how do we get around it? Well, it's pretty straightforward. There is a program you can use which will make your taskbar completely transparent, and you can even change it up to the color sort of background that you want or scheme that you want with this software. So the best place to get this is inside the Microsoft Store here. So hit the Microsoft Store, and inside here we can type in the program name, which is Translucent TB. So you can type that in here. So just put Translucent, just like so, and then put TB on the end of it here. And you should see it pop up here, just like that. Once you get this, you can click on Get. It's free to use. You can see the creator's name is there, and just push Get, and it will install this onto your system. It does have a menu system which allows you to make customizations to the taskbar, where you're very limited inside Windows 11 to make customizations to the taskbar because they've limited that capability in Windows 11. So I'm just going to open this up. And as you can see here, we'll be able to get some access to this software. So click continue, and you can see already it's completely translucent. And there is a faint line there, as you can see. Now, if that's a little bit extreme for you, you can actually make changes to it and tone it down just a little bit, just so you can see a little teeny bit of it. But if you want it completely translucent, that's basically how you would do it. But down here on the bottom right-hand side, you will see a menu system which allows you to make changes. You can see Start Open, Enabled, Advanced, and you've got a bunch of advanced settings here. You can go into the notepad here and make changes here if you wish. Change all sorts of colors and things like that in there, but you don't really need to because there is access to this in the color palette and stuff like that inside this software. So let's take a look at some of the options that have available here. So desktop gives you the opaque, normal, and clear, and acrylic, depending on what you want to set yours to. So if you change this, it will change the type of color scheme here. So let me go back in and change this to clear or acrylic. And there, that's a little bit more nicer, I think, for me. It's just not quite as extreme. But if you do want to tweak it yourself and find your own sweet spot, you can do inside here with this software. Let me just quickly show you here down the bottom here again. Go back into here, and you can make changes and go into the accent color and make changes here. So depending on how severe you want it. Also, you can change the color of it here by clicking on here on the color palette as well. If you want more solid color, you can do it. Then go back into the actual transparent part and tweak it to the way you like it. So very nice indeed if you want plenty of transparency and color on yours. So you can change the tone of it here, and on the right it will change the transparency. So you can see you've got two sliders. One is for the actual color tone, and also the one on the right is the one for the transparency there, and you've got the color palette in the center. So find your color that suits you and then pull down the transparent part here, and this will make it transparent. Now, there is other programs that will do this as well. Start 11 will change the start menu and also allow you to change the taskbar as well for transparency and things like that. So if you want to go and use something like that for your start menu, you can also do the task bar with the Start 11, but it's not free. It is $4.99 for that software. There is other software out there that will allow you to make transparent taskbars as well, but some of those aren't free. They're not much, a couple of bucks to buy, but again, these are not free. This one is completely free here. So let's take a look at what it looks like with another background so you can get an idea. So I've made it a little bit more darker, and you can see here it looks pretty nice when you've got the right background, and I like that sort of look there, not too dark, not too light, and it's just perfect. That's the way I'd like mine. And again, you can change the color scheme on your system. Anyway, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope this video helps you out. Just a real quick video. Big shout out to all my YouTube members who joined my YouTube members group. Your names are rolling up on the screen. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.